Hey everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm very excited to share this product with you. Okay, so this is not for everyone. Okay, so this is for those who are having certain issues that you will have if you don't have now. So I laugh at that because it really is like for those that continue to buy this over and over and over again, it is a pretty much women my age or above. Okay, so 50 and above, this is pretty much what's going to happen. If you don't know this yet, girls, this is what's going to happen. You're going to start having your cheeks sag a little bit, your jaws kind of sag, your neck is going to start appearing kind of saggy and wrinkly. I mean, oh my gosh, okay. And so what happens is you feel the need to want products that help lift, tighten, and firm the skin. Okay. In addition to filling in lines and wrinkles on the face and on the neck. Okay, so you kind of start getting like the crepiness on the neck area, and those are just things that happen. I know it's not fun at all, but this product that I'm going to show you tonight is the Timewise Repair Lifting Serum. Okay, it is fabulous if those are things that you are suffering from. Okay, it is absolutely amazing. So this is a thicker serum. It is used twice a day. And if you use it twice a day, it's really gonna kind of use out between 1 and 2 months. Okay, depends on if you're using it twice a day. So it's kind of up to you because it is a little bit thicker. It's a thicker cream, so during the day for some it may be too heavy, but it's definitely something I lather up at night for me. Okay, now if I could use it twice a day, 100% would. I know some of you do use it twice a day. Okay, which is fabulous. Okay, so I just haven't been able to use it twice a day yet. Okay. I'm getting all my hormones straight and things are kind of crazy. I'm kind of getting oily and I'm getting like little things on my face. And okay, that's the deal, whatever. Okay. But let me talk to you a little bit about this product. Okay. So sagging skin along the jawline. Okay. It will visibly be lifted with this. I mean, 100% of women say their jawline was lifted. Okay, that's huge, huge. And then 98% said just overall lifting. Okay, firm skin firmness. The skin was just firmer, 82%. 98% had deep lines and wrinkles reduced, 98%. 78% skin elasticity enhanced, and 100% that had their skin was moisture. Okay, so what really is in this amazing product is hyaluronic acid is one thing that I love that's in here, and this it has like a leaf extract in it that supports your natural collagen. Okay, and then the elastin and hyaluronic acid. So all that kind of works together, okay, with like your natural collagen and then the elastin and the hyaluronic acid, okay? So it like basically is supporting your natural elastin, your natural collagen, okay? And of course it has the hyaluronic acid in it. So those are like the buzzword ingredients that you're looking for, right? And so so this is it. This is the cream. This is what you've been looking for, okay? Those of you who have those things, the Volufarm Advanced Lifting Serum. It is absolutely amazing. Again, just to kind of briefly go over it again, it's clinically shown to visibly lift skin, reduce the look of deep lines and wrinkles, firm your skin, tighten the skin, decreases the saggy skin, just makes your overall look like firmer and more lifted, okay? And then of course it supports your natural collagen and elastin, as well as hyaluronic acid. I know my phone is ringing. It's ringing right now, like you're calling me, because this is something that you have to have in your bathroom, right? It's fabulous. Okay, so it's a little bit on the pricier end. It's $74. Okay, but it's worth it. You're worth it. Your skin is worth it. It's all you have is one face. It's all you have, so you might as well take care of it, right? So I hope y'all learned something new. If you don't have this and you like to try it, then get with your consultant. We do have the whole skincare line of the Volufarm for 50 and older. It's a very great spa grade, like medical grade skincare line is our Volufarm skincare. Okay, and this is one of the pieces that come with the Volufarm skincare. Okay, so so we do have samples of that if you want to try it. So contact your consultant and get you a sample, or contact her and just grab you a bottle of this Volufarm lifting serum. So I hope you are enjoying my lives where I come and get with y'all, come in here with y'all every single week, and I hope you're enjoying and learning some great things about our amazing products. So thanks for joining, y'all. Bye, everyone.